The first thing you need is a Google account, which is the same as a Gmail email address. So you can sign up, and next you have to sign in on YouTube with that Google account. So you go to the image, you go to switch account, and you add new account. So I'm going to sign in, and if you don't already have a Google account signed in, you see the sign in button, so you can just go ahead and sign in. Next, we're going to go ahead and create a new channel. So hit the avatar and then go to create a channel. Then we're going to go down to get started. Here you're given the option to either use a custom name or use your name. I'll go ahead and use my name, and channel successfully created. Next, I'm going to go ahead and upload the picture, and done. Over here you can add a channel description and also links to your socials. Then I'll hit save and continue. Next, we're going to customize the channel. So go to customize channel. I'm gonna close that. Now head to basic info. Here you can change the name of the channel. You can also add a description. Now I'm gonna head to branding, where I can add a banner image, which is the same as a cover art. I've already designed one, so I'm gonna upload it, and done. Next, I'm going to upload a video watermark, which is the same as a branding watermark. I already designed one, so I'm going to upload that, and done. Next, I'm going to select custom time start and publish. View channel. Alright, here's the channel. As you can see, banner image has been uploaded and basic settings have been done. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Ciao.